Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and today I'm gonna be installing 3 bags on my Ducati Scrambler, which are bought from Decathlon. Let's go ahead and check out these bags. So these are the 3 bags that I'll be working with. I've bought these yesterday from Decathlon. The total price for all of these 3 was around €25. These are originally handlebar bags for bicycles, so they go right here. But I'm gonna use them as saddle bags, and this one over here, the long one, I'm gonna attach it below the fuel tank. What I'm gonna do is attach the larger one on this side where there's no exhaust, so it's gonna be over here. We're gonna attach it to the bar, the chassis bar over here, which goes under the seat. Put the smaller one on the other side where there's the exhaust, just right here. And that's basically it. So we're gonna remove the seat now and let's start working. Just a note, these bags will attach to the bike with 2 Velcro straps. So we're gonna attach the larger bag over here. So let's remove the label. So one of the straps will go over here and one of them will be here. Once the strap is over here, it can't move out, so it will be pretty secure. So that's it. Our first bag is attached and ready. So open it up, make sure there's no issues. It's all good. It's also pretty strong. Get a closer look what we did. So we attached the 2 Velcro straps to the bike's chassis. It's a pretty good and snug fit. So let's go ahead and start attaching the smaller one to the other side. Also secured now. It's a pretty easy job. So I just realized that since I have 3 straps, it makes more sense that I attach one on each side and one at the top, instead 2 of the top and 1 in the front. So I'm just gonna remove everything again and attach one at the top and 1 on each side. Just a note, this bag over here There's multiple holes over here where you can pass through the strap. It made more sense doing it like this, one on each side and one at the top. It's much more secure now. I'm just gonna also mount the seat and see that it fits nicely. Pretty much it for the seats. The only issues I see is with this bag. It's pretty close to the engine, so I don't know if heat will damage these buckles over here. The rear bags, I mean, it's pretty much a good fit. It's a bit tight near the seat, but there's absolutely no issue. The seat latches properly and the bags can be opened also easily, even with one hand. The 2.5 liter bag hangs a bit on the side. I managed to fit mirrorless camera. It fits easily without any issues. There's no issue with clearance to the wheel. Make sure you don't put any valuables in these bags. You can't really secure these bags. They're closed by two little zips, which you can't really secure. So anyone might open them, even the front one. So take care of that. But other than that, if you have space on your bike where you can put these bags, I'd recommend you give them a try since they're very cheap. And that's pretty much it. It's a pretty cheap way to put storage on your bike. Obviously not for valuables, but yeah, I mean, for the price it's really worth it and I would give it a shot. So yeah, that's it for today and I will see you guys in the next video.